Hey guys, and welcome to another NFT video on the channel where we today are going to take a look at Solana versus Cardano NFTs, which ones I'm most bullish on, and I'm also going to show you one up and coming project on both Cardano and Solana. So if that sounds interesting and you want to see more NFT content on the channel, as always, smash that like and subscribe down below. So first of all, let's take a look at the market. Cardano right now is at $2.87. There has been some FUD around Cardano not having operational smart contracts or their smart contracts not working, but I think this is FUD and the price hasn't really been impacted that much. So I'm still holding my Cardano. I'm not really too worried. There's still like 7 days until the official release of smart contracts. But yeah, Cardano at 2.87 and Solana at $140. So in terms of price, I don't really know which one will get the most gains during this bull run. Both have seen massive gains this bull run, but anyways, that's not what we're gonna look at today. We're gonna look at the NFTs on both of these platforms. So first of all, let's look at the different marketplaces. Obviously on Solana, the biggest ones are probably Solana. This is one I've been using the most and I've really enjoyed it. Sometimes when there's a lot of demand on the network, it has been lagging a bit, but in general, I'm really happy with this marketplace. They also have Salty. This actually launched yesterday. So this is a new marketplace and I'm really bullish on this one too. I do actually think this will become the biggest marketplace. But as I said, it launched yesterday, so it's still uncertain. And the last marketplace on Solana is Digitalized. This is another pretty big marketplace on Solana that I have been using a little bit. So those three are the main marketplaces on Solana right now, and the main marketplace on Cardano is currently CNFT.io. Now right now, as you can see, due to huge growth, we're performing a database upgrade. This will improve your user experience and is also essential for a future smart contracts upgrade. So the site is currently down, unfortunately, so I won't be able to show you around this website. But basically, you can just go to Marketplace, find different projects, and buy NFTs like you would on any other platform and on any other blockchain. So personally, I have had a way better experience on Solana, and that's why I'm actually more bullish on Solana NFTs than I am on Cardano NFTs. I think both of them will probably do well, and you can easily earn money on both Solana and Cardano with NFTs. But personally, I think most of Ethereum's volume will be moving over to Solana instead of Cardano. Obviously, Ethereum has had major problems with gas fees and slow transactions for a while now, and that's why a lot of people bring a lot of volume to other blockchains like Solana and Cardano. But for right now, I'm mostly bullish on Solana, and that's also what I like the most personally. As you can see, Solana, I really like this marketplace. It's super easy to use. Ape Academy is currently the biggest project on Solana. As you can see, it's selling for 92 Solanas, so that's obviously quite a lot of money. I've actually considered buying a Ape because I do think Apes will do well over the next couple of months maybe, because I do think this project has already become the biggest one, and I do think it will stay that way, just like the CryptoPunks and the Bored Ape Yacht Clubs of Ethereum. I think Ape Academy can easily go to like 200 Solana's floor over the next month or two. Not financial advice, of course, just my opinions. Now, as I promised you guys, I will show you one project that I'm bullish on Solana and one on Cardano. So let's jump right into that. First of all, Solana. We have Rogue Sharks NFT. So this is currently the project I'm mostly looking forward to on Solana. They have not set a date yet, but I do believe it will happen sometime in September. So it's basically just these sharks, I guess. And they do have a big following, and that's why I'm so bullish on it. They have 10.6k followers on Twitter, and they have a lot of members on their Discord, as well as pretty good engagement on their Twitter. So as long as the minting price of this project is reasonable, like below 5 Solanas maybe, I will probably try to mint this project. Now on Cardano, I don't really have one project that I'm super bullish on, and I'm not really sure yet if I'm going to mint the project I'm about to show you, but this is the project that I found most interesting on Cardano right now. It's called Cardano. So basically it's an OG Cardano NFT project, but the thing is they have multiple drops. They have one drop today when I'm recording this video, and then they will have 2 more a bit later. They're also followed by Alex Becker, which says a lot because he's a big name in the crypto and NFT space, and he's only following 261 people. So just him following this project is super bullish, of course. And basically the way these look is just like this. You can buy these tokens that represent different cities. I think the total supply is like 26,000. And right now, as you can see, there's only been released 10,000 right here, and there will be 5,000 more today and then 10,000 more later. So those are my thoughts right now on Solana and Cardano NFTs. I will mostly be focusing on Solana NFTs, but please tell me down in the comment section what type of content you want to see on the channel. Do you want to see mostly Ethereum NFTs, Solana NFTs, or Cardano NFTs? And with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to smash that like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.